Hey YouTube, I just finished figuring out how to make a Amazon Fire 8 HD tablet go from just being a Amazon tablet to something that I can put in front of our front door and have it show the calendar, the weather, important stuff that I want it to show. And then whenever someone rings our Ring doorbell, it will immediately switch over to show who's at the door, and then about a minute later, it'll switch back to a usable tablet display of useful information. So let me go through it and show you the steps I used to do this. I had to update it a little because the old method, it would just open the Ring app and it would just work right off the bat. But now it doesn't do that. You have to go through Rapid Ring. So, anyways, alright, so the first step, you want to go to Settings, and then you want to format the tablet. Go to Device Options, Reset to Factory Defaults, Reset. So you want to reset it back to complete stock from the very beginning. Alright, that probably took about 10 minutes. So now, once you get to here, you're going to want to pick your language, continue. Okay, and then just pick a Wi-Fi, start typing something, and then just say cancel. Not now. You don't want to set up yet. That's when all the ads come in. Skip the Fire setup, and it's just going to take you to the home screen. Okay, just kidding. Now is when you would enable Wi-Fi because you do need internet access for this. So we'll go to APK Mirror, and I'm going to look up the Google Account Manager. Okay, and at least for the HD8 right now, today's December of 2019, we only have Android 5, I think it's 5.1. So we're going to scroll down and get this one, 5.1, download that. Ads. Okay, here it is. Come on. There we go. Download APK. Okay, yes. Alright, it's downloaded, so now I'm going to open it. And it's going to say it's blocked because Amazon does not want you doing this. So we're going to allow apps from unknown sources. Yes. And then we're going to hit the back button. And we're going to try it again. I'm just going to re-download it. I don't feel like finding it. Alright, here it is. Next, install. Okay, so we got that one. Okay, now we need the Google Services Framework. Just type that in, and we need to go to 5.1 again. So I'm going to go to the next page, and here's 5.1. Let's download that. Okay, here it is. Alright, download. Okay. Alright, just click through. Okay. Alright, so now we need the Google Play services. I'm just picked the latest one. So now I'm going to say see available APKs. And we only have version 5. So here's 5. We want the Army AVI version 7A. Alright, so I'm going to pick this one, the no DPI. So many choices. Alright, here we go. Download. Okay, download APK. Alright, here we go. I think this one's a little bit bigger of a file. Here we go. Okay. I just wanted to put this out there because it took a lot of time to research how to figure out how to get this work and trial and error. So I just want to let you guys skip all that work and just get a working tablet. Okay, so we got that. Now we need the Google Play Store. So here it is. See available APKs. And we want... Okay, this looks good. It's for Android 4.1 Plus or 5, so that's good. Okay, and then download. Oh, download. Okay, this tablet isn't, it's a pretty cheap tablet. I think I got this for like 30 bucks off eBay. So it's not going to be the quickest, but it's quick enough to show you some kind of display and show the Ring camera pretty well. Okay, so once that's installed, now we have the Google Play Store. So just click on that, and it's going to pop up. Click Sign In, and then just sign into your account. Alright, so once we're in, one of the first things I want to do is go to Settings, and then go to Settings, and then from here I like to do Auto Update Apps, say Don't Auto Update, just in case, I don't know, one of the apps updates and then it stops working at that point. Oops, we quit. So you never know what updates are going to happen, and it might break something you had working, so I'd rather just do that myself. Alright, so now we need the Ring app. Okay, let's install that. Yep. And then we also need the I think it's called Ring Quickly. Let's see. Oh, Rapid Ring. Alright, we'll get that. That's Ring's new way of opening it quickly. Okay, and then we're also going to need Tasker. That's what will automate the whole process. So here's Tasker, install that. Okay, accept. Okay, and one other, you're also going to need auto notification. That's going to pair with Tasker to click on the notifications and open the Ring feed for you. Okay, and we're going to come to this one in a second too, but also install the fully Kiosk browser and app lockdown. That's what's going to show you the nice display with however you want to customize it, be it your calendar, the weather, the time, maybe a countdown, stuff like that. Okay, so now that we have them all installed, let's open up Ring. Okay, and then I'm going to log in with my account. Okay, now I'm in with that. I really don't want to set up the Neighbors app or any of that. Just wanted to log in. So now I'm going to open the Rapid Ring. Okay. And then I need to log in again. Okay, so now I just covered up some things. So now we need to go to the settings. And it probably already prompted you for that. And I'm going to turn on notifications for both when the doorbell rings and also when motion is detected, because I want to see anytime action happens, I want to see who's at the door. Okay, so now we're going to need the full version. It's pretty cheap. So let's go to auto notification. And if you want, you can start the trial, do something. I'm just going to get the full get the full version. It's like $2.50. I'm gonna say okay. Open with the Play Store. Okay, and I've already bought it. The nice thing is you buy it once and it works. If you want to have multiple tablets doing this, it's a one-time cost. And I think this works for all of their different plugins, but I'm only using one. So anyways, okay, and now I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so now we're good. All right, then I'm gonna go home. Okay, so now we got that going. Now we need to go to Tasker, and we got to set this thing up. Okay, so I'm just going to say okay. All right, so we're good. Stop reminding. Okay, this can get a little confusing, so let's go through this. So first I'm going to click the plus button, and I'm going to choose an event. Then I'm going to click plugin, and then auto notification, and I'm going to say intercept. Okay, and then I'm going to click this little pencil. You need to enable auto notification intercept. Okay, so I'm going to go there, and I'm going to give notification access. I'm just going to give it to both, just to be safe. Alright, let's go back. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to go to action type and say created. Okay, and then I'm going to pick apps, and I want it anytime it sees the ring one. Here we go, Rapid Ring. So anytime a notification from Rapid Ring shows up. Okay, so now I'm going to click the check mark. Okay, and then we're just going to hit the back button. Alright, and then I'm just going to... Oh, no, don't do that. Alright, create a new task. Just click the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to click the plus button. And I'm going to say alert, and then flash. Okay, and then we'll put up here something like, I don't know, rapid ring. Then go to the next line. Oops, rapid, oops, ring. Okay, let's try that one more time. So we want the and touch button. Okay, here it is. And touch action. So it's number 22. Okay. And then we'll click the back button. Okay, and it's kind of weird. In Tasker, back means, I guess, like okay. Alright, so now I'm going to hit the back button. Okay, we're almost there. So now we're going to click the plus button, and we're going to say we want to add a plugin. We're going to do auto notification, and then actions. Then we're going to click the little pencil up here in the corner. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to go to advanced, and we're going to say intercept action ID. Then we're going to click the little, whatever you call that thing. Okay, and we're going to select the and touch action. And say okay. And that's like if it pops down actually clicking on the notification. So then we're going to hit the back button and click the check mark. And then I'm going to hit the back button again. Okay. Okay, so I think we had that set up, so I went home. Now there's one other thing you got to do. Let's go to settings. And let's go to device options. Here we go, serial number. So tap that until developer options opens. Click that. And there's a problem where when this works, every time Ring goes off, it opens up, it shows the thing, but then it gets locked in the resources. So we want it to, if we go down here, there's something that says, where is it? Oh, and I like to turn the animation scale like to half. So then everything just moves a little quicker because it's not a very quick tablet anyways. So there's something that says kill all apps that are, oh, here we go. Don't keep activities. I tried the limit one, but it gets lost on a reboot. So just say don't kill activities, and that survives the reboot. So when Ring opens, it will, when it switches back to the Fully browser, it'll kill the Ring app so it can open again next time. Okay, so then let's go home. Okay, so just for fun, I went outside and tested it, and it saw me, it opened up Ring in full screen, and a rapid Ring, and it worked. Alright, so now we're going to go back to Tasker, and then, whoops, sorry, I was in settings. So we're going to click on here, so we have when someone goes to the door, the Ring notification will show up, it will click on it, and open rapid Ring. Okay, so now we need to add a couple more items to it. So after that happens, let's click Add, click the plus, and then I'm going to, where is it? Oh, I'm going to type wait. So I'm going to say wait about a minute and, I'll just say like a minute and 20 seconds, something like that. And then click the back button. Alright, so wait a minute. Oops, that is not right. Milliseconds. Alright, so wait about a minute and 20 seconds. Hit back. Okay, and then I am going to add this. I don't think you need it, but I put it just in case, and it's working this way. So I'm going to say kill app. So the first app I want to kill is Rapid Ring. Okay, and it's not rooted, so no root. And then I'm also going to say kill app Ring. I think they're tied together, so why not? Alright, so it's going to kill both the apps, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of a delay just to be safe, so wait. Okay, I'm just going to put like 7 seconds. That's probably a safe amount. Okay, back. So after it kills them, it's going to wait, and then I'm going to launch an app. Launch app, here we go. And the app I want to launch is Fully browser. Here we go, Fully Kiosk browser. Okay, and hit the back button. Alright, that's it, and then hit the back. Alright, cool. So now what's going to happen is when someone comes to the door, it's going to create a notification, click on it, whoops, click on it, it's going to wait a minute and 20 seconds, so you're going to be able to see the person at the front door for a minute and a half or so. It's going to kill both of the Ring apps, wait 7 seconds, and then it's going to launch the Fully Kiosk browser. Okay, so let's go home. So we should be good now. Okay, so now let's go to the Fully Kiosk browser. Okay, and then here's where you say what link you want it to start, and do full screen mode. Okay, so start using Fully. Okay, well that wasn't really what we left Fully. Let's go back to Fully. Okay, and then if you swipe from the left, you get to the settings. So if we go over to settings, okay, so first we'll go to web content settings. I turn off full screen videos and autoplay videos. I'm not going to really have anything happening anyways. Okay, and then we'll go back. Okay, and then we'll go to web browsing settings. I'm going to say if you pull down, it'll refresh the website. It's up to you if you want to do that. And I'm going to turn off enable back button. Okay, and then we'll go back. Alright, and then we'll go to the web zoom and scaling. And then I'm going to not enable zoom. I want it to show the web page as is. I'm going to load in overview mode. I don't know, I think that looked good on mine. And I am going to not use the wide viewpoint. Okay, and my initial scale, I did 105. I mean, you'll have to play around with these, see how they work for you, but for me, I liked how this looked for the browser. Okay, so let's go back. And then, where are we? Web auto reload. So I say auto reload when screen is on. And then if the network reconnects, we'll reload also. Yeah, I think the same thing for that guy. And then, okay, so then we'll hit the back button. Okay, and then let's go to power settings. And then here, you'd have to pay for it. They give you like a 30-day trial so you can test it. But if you want, you can tell it to like every night go to sleep and wake up in the morning, or whenever the camera sees motion, it'll turn on. But this is an LCD screen, so I don't think you'll have any burn-ins, so it shouldn't really be an issue. But, yeah, anyways. Alright, let's go back. And then, what else do we have? Okay, let's go to device management. Keep screen on. Let's see. So for screen orientation, I do reverse landscape. I don't know. It worked for me. I think where the plug is on the unit and all that. Okay, and then let's see. I do launch on boot. So every time it turns on, you just swipe up and it starts up immediately. Okay, and I think that's most of the settings. There's a lot of other stuff in here. Like restart fully after crash. I guess we can turn that on. Okay, and then we can like save our settings, all that. Well, you can go through that, see if there's anything else that you like. Okay, and then let's go home. And then I like to download the DAC browser. So let's go to Play Store, or not browser. I think it's called like DAC. D-A-K. Oh, Dakboard. Okay, let's install that. And this is what gives you that nice display you can use for like your calendar, various other things. Okay, let's open that guy up. Okay, so now that I've logged in, I prefer to do this on the computer, but let's see. So if you go up here, you can choose like, I don't know, like I do top bottom for backgrounds. I mean, you can do Google Photos, you could do like any of these. You can even do Instagram with hashtags. You get some weird ones though. I tried to do like turkey for Thanksgiving, and I started getting like restaurant advertisements, family photos. Just got weird. And then for date and time, you can do like, yeah, I prefer that format. For weather, they have open weather map. I mean, this one you have to have your own weather station. Dark sky you have to pay for. That doesn't really work. You can do some news. You can do like a custom message, to-do list. And then I prefer to do, for settings, I do the extra large and then make this my default screen, and then here's the link that you're gonna use. I covered up it because I don't want to use in mine, but this will show you, is what the website that you'll put on your tablet on the Fully browser, so it will show something nice. And then also, if you go to calendar, it's kind of nice. You can put your calendar. I do the 1 week because there really isn't a lot of room for it to show on the 8-inch tablet. 7's going to be even smaller, and the 10 maybe you can get 2 weeks. Could look nice. And then they only allow you to have 2 calendars. If you want more than 2, you have to pay. So I was using Team Up. I won't go into it, but I found it's a website where it allows you to put multiple calendars into it, and then you could export it out as one iCal file. So but it only updates like every couple days, so not a very good solution. I mean, you probably just want to pay for it if you really want to get into this. But yeah, you can put your Google Calendar links too. So that's how you get your calendar. Okay, so going back to Dakboard, once you set all that up, and you can play with it. So go here, and then if you scroll down, I'm gonna hide some of it. So here's the private URL link when you're in settings. So you're just gonna click copy. There we go. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, it's because I had this, it wasn't working. Alright, now let's go home. Get that out of the way. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the Fully browser. Okay, and then we're going to go over here to the start URL. We're going to delete that, and then I'm going to paste the URL that I just copied. Okay, and then I am going to say start using Fully. Okay, and then you're going to get something like this. It's got the time, it's got a calendar events, and this is just one calendar. You got the dates, and then you kind of have the weather down here. You've got some more weather things, wind, speed, all that good stuff. And then if you want, you can pull down, refresh, and it'll cycle through the pictures. But it'll also change the picture every 2 minutes depending on what service you have. It'll pull from that. Okay, and then also, alright, now let's go to auto notification. And then if we go to notification interception, I'm going to say intercept all, back. Okay, and one other thing, just so it doesn't go to sleep, let's go to settings, device options, go down to developer options, and check stay awake. Okay, and then let's go home. So now it won't fall asleep on you after 5 minutes. Okay, sorry, I seem to have lost all the settings. So after you're all done, just click the check mark if you didn't already, and that should save everything. So now we've got them all in order. Alright, and I've tweaked wait to just 20 seconds just so we can test it quickly and make sure it works. So let's go out and test it. Alright, so now let's test it, make sure it works. If we go out to the ring, come on. Alright, so it showed the notification, it clicked on it, and it opened up the ring view. So now waiting 20 seconds, it should go back to the other screen. Okay, and then we're back to the Fully browser and it launched. Okay, so that is that. And then just to prove that it works again, I'll do it one more time. So now if I go back out here and I click on the Ring doorbell, once again, it shows the notification, pops up, and it works. So that's that. Hope you enjoy it. Good luck.